Okay, lesson 5. We're going to interpret line graphs today. We're going to start on this side where it says make a line graph. Sorry. A line graph is used to show a set of data or how a set of data changes over a period of time. So it will look like that. You put dots on it, then you connect them, right? How many people have seen a line graph before? How many people have made a line graph before? It's one of the easier graphs, isn't it? Because you don't have to color things in, you just have to connect by a line. So this is an example. It says make a line graph of the data of Earth's population. Describe the change in Earth's population. So they already have the table done for us. They put the dots on there, they connected it, right? That's the easiest part. Okay. That was like the first 3 steps. Step 4, you always need to make sure you label where you put things, right? A graph should have a title. The y-axis should be labeled. The x-axis should be labeled, correct? That's pretty basic, right? And then we're going to describe. You're going to tell me what happens. Does the Earth's population increase or decrease? Increase, right? It goes up, so it's increasing. That's all you have to do. So let's actually look at one now. It says we're going to make a graph using this data, and then we're going to describe it. Look, it's already set up for us. So all we have to do is put the dots on there. So in year 2005, which is this one right here, even though it doesn't look like 2005, I promise you it is, we have 16,000. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So we're going to put our dot. Now it says 16. I'm looking at the thing in the book. It just didn't copy very well, did it? In 2006 is 15,500. So we're just going to go a little bit down from that dot, right? Your graphs, because this is 14, this is 16. 15,500 would not be very far away, would it? Trust me, I'm looking at the table in the book right here. Look, it just didn't transfer over very well. Guys, you're on a screencast right now. My class listened to this the other day, and they were making fun of you because they could pick out who was making disruptions. I wouldn't be laughing, Ryan, because it was you.
I know.
Okay, the next year is 2007 is 13,900. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And then that's 14. So I would say it's a little under 14, right? 13,900. You wouldn't say that 13,900 is a little under 14,000? Okay, this one's easy to read, right? 11,000. So in this year, we're going to go to 11,000. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's 12, so halfway. Then 8,200. 2, 4, 6, 8, just a little bit above 8. And then our last year in 2010, we have 5,900. So 2, 4, that's 6, so a little under 6. What do I do next if it's a line graph? Connect them. So, building permits filed, does it increase or decrease? Decrease. So, building permits filed decreased. Simple, right? Are we okay with that? Allergies bad today. And then we only have one more side to do, and I'm going to give you your homework. We're not going to go over much of it today because line graphs are pretty simple, right? So that way we have more time to work on our robots. This is interpreting them. So they're going to be done for you, and then you have to describe what's going on. By observing the upward. What would upward mean in line graphs? Increasing or decreasing, Riley?
Increasing.
Increasing, so that would be increasing. Or downward. What would downward mean, Riley?
Decreasing.
Decreasing. Slant of the lines connecting the points. You can describe the trends in the I was not supposed to leave a blank there. Sorry. Data. And predict future events. I think I made a blank for data to go in, and then I typed the word data. Sorry. So, when we're interpreting, the graph will already be done for you, and then you just are going to describe what's going on. Very easy lesson, right? Because you've been dealing with line graphs for a couple of years. So this one, it shows the cost of tuition at a college during several years. Describe the trend. Then predict how much tuition will cost in 2020. I'm going to show you the nice graph in my book so you can see it a little better. Okay, so in 02, tuition costs a little under $6,000, right? 04, it costs above $6,000. And then probably around $7,000, around $8,000, over $8,000, probably $9,000, almost $10,000 there, right? You guys agree? So the increase is fairly steady, right? It's that there's no big like sharp lines up or sharp lines down. So if we extended the graph, how it's been going, you'd probably get around, they say 11,500. I would take like 12,000 because that's probably what a lot of you would say, wouldn't it? Do you guys actually want to try one now? This one is a plant growing. So the line graph shows the growth of a plant over several weeks. Describe the trend. So what's happening to our plant? He's growing bigger. That's good, right? That's what we want plants to do. Otherwise, you don't have a green thumb and you probably killed it. So the plant gets taller, right? Or the plant's height increases. I don't care. It all kind of means the same, right? Okay, I want to know at 7 weeks. So this is 6, 7, 8. So if we're still going in this direction, did you guys see how I just extended my line? Yeah. About how much do you think it will be? Okay, because this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So 11. I would take either 11 or 12. The book says 11. It just kind of depends how you draw your line. I'm not going to be too big of a... If you say 10 or 13, no, that's not right. But I'll take 11 or 12. So 11... Ooh, that was bad. Or 12 inches, right? Are we good with that? That's super simple, isn't it?
If you got 11, you only go up